3, 2, 1. Talk to me.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's becoming increasingly common. Young people using AI chatbots or AI friends to discuss their feelings, seek advice, or simply to feel less alone. It might seem harmless. After all, it feels like someone's listening, right? But there's a serious side to this, especially when it comes to mental health.
I don't have him and I won't be able to ever hold him again or talk to him.
Do you think that if Saul had never come across that platform on his phone, that he would still be with you now?
Absolutely. It's like having a predator or a stranger in your home.
Let's examine how to stay safe when interacting with AI.
3, 2, 1. Talk to me.
Number 1, remember, it's not a real person. AI can sound friendly and understanding, but it doesn't feel emotions or understand what you're really going through. It responds using patterns, not care or empathy. So if you are feeling down, talk to a real person. This could be a friend, a parent, a teacher, or a helpline like Childline or the Samaritans. Number 2, don't share personal information or private information. Never give AI your name, your school, your address, or any other information that could identify you. Even if it says your data is private, there's no guarantee. Think of it like writing in a public notebook. It could be read later. Number 3, watch out for harmful or suggestive replies. If an AI says something like, maybe you should hurt yourself, or no one would miss you, stop the conversation immediately. Take a screenshot, tell an adult, and report it if possible. That kind of response is dangerous and absolutely not okay. Number 4, use trusted, safe platforms. Some apps are built responsibly, others are not. Stick to well-known, moderated tools that have safety policies in place. If you're unsure, ask a parent or a teacher to check the app with you before using it. And number 5, talk to real people, not just screens. AI can be helpful for learning or journaling your thoughts, but when it comes to mental health, real human connection is what helps most. You deserve real understanding, not just words on a screen. You're never alone, even if it feels that way. So to finish, AI can be a great tool, but it's not a therapist and it's not a friend. Use it wisely, stay safe, and always reach out to someone when things feel too heavy. So until next week, have a nice weekend and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.